One of the bigger challenges faced by many sectors like food processing industries, meat processing industries, sugar industries, dairies, breweries, distilleries, and also the municipal corporations are facing these type of odor problems. These sectors are trying to get rid of foul odor generating from these sources. Amalgam Biotech has come up with the unique product OdoAxe for fighting this odor-related problem. OdoAxe is a biochemical compound specially extracted from herbs. It is chemically inert in nature. You just need to mist it on the surface from the odor is getting generated. It traps the odor molecule which is organic in nature. OdoAxe biochemically digests that organic content present in that odor molecule. OdoAxe also neutralizes the compound which contributes or which is responsible for the odor. In fact, you just need to mix this product with the water and fog it on the surface from where the odor is getting generated. Misting will effectively engulf the bad odor, digest the organic content to non-odorous.